back to my channel. It's going to be a small video, and this video is going to be about Sigdigger. I have my RTL-SDR dongle which is connected to it, and the best way to actually make an FM receiver, the fastest way to make FM receiver, you can use it using GnuRadio companion. You can use software like GQRX. You can use SDR Sharp. There are a lot of software, but this particular software, I kind of like it. I was working with it. There's a lot of different things that you can do. So the easiest possible way, if you want to explore, let's say you got yourself a dongle and you want to actually check and see if my dongle is working correctly, how do you actually check it? So just simply plug into your laptop any OS that you're using, any operating system that you're using. Just simply download Sigdigger and go to the settings. And once you go to the setting, choose your device. Normally you will have, if you have your device connected, this should show about dummy device, but just select your RTL-SDR dongle, the one that I have connected, which is RTL2832. Connect that. I think it will automatically picks up the sample rate and things like that, and just click OK. Once you have everything set, all you need to do, just simply hit play, and boom, here we go. You will have, okay, generally when you open this up first, this thing is off like this. But what you can do, you can set up the frequency, like for example 105. Like right now I'm looking at 105, so I can just move this around at the frequency 105, and then I can go to my baseband audio preview. Then I can just simply turn on FM and just play around with this audio cutoff frequency, and based on that you will be able to tune in to, I think so just like take this is basically your demodulator, and just take it anywhere on the spectrum and you will be able to demodulate your signal, and you'll be able to hear what's being transmitted on FM. So let me just turn on the volume and just move to basically you have to play with audio cutoff frequency, so you'll be able to hear what's going on. And by just moving this, you can make the width sharper or make it a little bit bigger, however you want to do it. Alright, hold on a second. That's where the transmission is taking place. Move this around. Let's see if I can demodulate anything that is happening here. Or what about here? Will I be able to demodulate anything? I think audio cutoff frequency around 3360 is, I think, the perfect. Anything that is going on at a lower frequency end, you can just simply go ahead and check it. Let's see what's being transmitted here. So in this way you can actually check and see if FM is being transmitted alright using your dongle. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.